there, welcome to Locust Street Cottage. Today we're going to talk about the Barrina plant lights. And here I am unboxing them. There are 6 lights and you can see there's 2 lines of LED lights inside each bulb. There's some sort of weird filmy plastic on each bulb that you need to pull off, or maybe not. Maybe you could leave it on there. I pulled it off. And here are these little reflectors, and you can see that there's a way that you slide them in right there. That little notch right there will slide right into the light bulbs. I'll be showing you that. See, there's the corresponding notch right there in the light bulb. And if you wiggle it like this, it seems to go in a lot better and a lot easier. Some of them are a little sticky, but once you get them started, they're good to go. There's one reflector, voila, easy like that. Perfect. Very nice. Let's see if we can get that other reflector in. You can see it fits in there nicely. There we go, both reflectors are in. Easy as pie. Let's talk about the different options for hanging or mounting these lights. So first there's these little snappy dealies. They snap on the back of the light. They have a ring to hang them. These are pretty cool if you want to daisy chain the lights together, but like really close. And then there's these little caps that you can put on the end that isn't connected to anything. It also comes with mounting hardware to like mount to the ceiling or to the wall. You would take these little screws out and just mount them through there onto the ceiling. This is double-sided foamy tape stuff to just like stick it if you have someplace permanent. And of course there are a bunch of zip ties too. Like these people did not forget anything. It came with 3-foot daisy chain cord. There were like 5 of them. And you see like plug them in right there. And then there were also 3 power cords, which I thought was awesome. So this is was my current setup with the Mars Hydro lights. And I really like the Mars Hydro lights, but you can see how far they hang down and they really do get warm. And so it was taking a lot of space and a lot of shelf space. So here I am snapping the little dealies on. See those rings? And I'm just gonna hook some carabiners to those and hang them on. There they are. So I have 2 lights on each shelf. So much more room. They're not nearly as bright as the Mars Hydro, so they don't burn your retinas out. And I like them very much. They appear to give out enough light that the plants will be very happy, and they don't make my living room glow like there's been an atomic bomb. So bonus on that. But look at the little lettuces. They're so happy. And I might buy another set because I still have 2 more shelves that I could light up. So there's the details on the Barrina plant grow light. And the Mars Hydro are going to graduate downstairs to our medicinal herb room, which is probably a better place for them anyway. If you like what you see, you can watch more videos like this, like garden videos, and you could subscribe. Thanks for joining us today.